Welcome back. Well, I hope you're having a great Saturday evening. I'm meteorologist Mary Wasson. It was a really nice day across the region. We did see a few clouds here and there, but temperatures, they climbed into the low 70s. Now we are sitting at 54 degrees with mostly clear skies. Winds pretty light out of the south, but those winds tomorrow, they're really going to pick up thanks to a cold front that's going to move through in the morning. You can see most temperatures right now are in the 40s to near 50 degrees. A few mid 50s there for Cameron, Caldwell, all the way down to College Station, but we'll wake up in the morning with temperatures in the 40s. So if you're heading out and about early, maybe going for a long run, if you're training for a half marathon or marathon coming up in the next couple weeks, or you're heading out to church in the morning, you'll definitely want that light jacket. Now, all in all, we're going to see clear skies tonight, but tomorrow morning the clouds will start to slowly creep in, and that's ahead of a cold front that's going to move through. It's on the back edge of the same storm system that brought us all the rain late last night and early this morning. You can see that little piece of energy moving through the panhandle. That's going to head our way. I think arriving sometime around 10, 11 o'clock in the morning with some clouds, maybe a sprinkle or two, but the big story will be the gusty winds. So here's the front moving through Stephenville by about 8, 9 o'clock into the Waco Temple area about lunchtime. And then behind this particular forecast model is trying to squeeze out a few showers. Now, I'm thinking, yeah, we'll see the cloud cover, but I don't think we'll see as much rain as this forecast model is showing. So I'm going with about a 10% rain chance. Now, notice that the winds, they get really close together. That means that they're going to become very breezy and quite gusty into the afternoon. So things could get a little bit dicey later in the day. Now on Monday, we'll see a few clouds in the morning, but then as we head through the afternoon on Monday, some clearing skies. Now let's talk about these winds. The winds will be a little bit breezy, especially out west early in the morning, but notice the winds are coming at a westerly fashion. They'll start to turn more northerly and northwesterly as that front comes through, and that's when the winds begin to pick up. Hearn with a gust around 33 possible at that time, Temple 31, Waco about 25, staying very active throughout the rest of the afternoon, evening, and then even Monday morning, we're talking those winds still sustained up to 15 and 20, gusting up to 25 and 30, and then we'll eventually see those winds begin to die down on Monday evening. Now, the little bit of rain that we could get, again, that 10% is going to be very minor, but later in the week we have another storm system that will approach, bringing us a rain chance specifically Thursday, Friday, and maybe into Saturday as well. So your 7-day rain outlook is showing a few 10-7 inch or so across parts of central Texas. Now, for January, we just came off a very wet month. In Waco, we picked up more than 4.5 inches. That's a surplus of almost 2 inches. February has started wet as well, but let's talk about Temple. The 10-year January rainfall average goes to show that this January was the wettest. We picked up over 4 inches. The second place was down to 2.9 inches, so we beat that out of the water, and that was back in 2019. The lowest ever, a very dry January, was back in 2018, and that average is about 1.5 inches or so. So we were well above that in Temple, also well above that in the Waco area. Let's go ahead and take a look at your 7-day forecast. It's going to be cloudy and breezy for your Sunday. A morning low of 45. We're expecting a high of 61, and then we stay in the upper 50s, low 60s, drying out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we see that